I want to
Mm-hmm.
hear more about the Black Mothers Stories Initiative.
Ooh, okay. So that is, I'm very passionate. Just to start off, I'm very passionate about maternal health. And the Black Mother Story Initiative really started out as Nishay is the CEO of Elevated Co., where I work. And she knew my passion was in maternal health. And so she gave me this platform to have this program. And what we did with Mother Story is create a platform for maternal health professionals to engage with the community. So to engage with Black women, whether it's mothers, children, sisters, and ask questions, but also obtain information on resources. So we wanted this initiative to raise awareness on Black maternal mortality in the US, but also identify ways to reduce the high rates of maternal mortality because we talk about Black women dying, but there's not enough information on, okay, besides racism being a factor, what about predisposing factors to Black women that make them an increased risk for maternal mortality? Or are they certain diseases that are prevalent in Black women that also kind of like accelerate their them experiencing, maternal mortality? So that was really what we wanted the initiative to be. We launched it last year and it was so exciting because we also employed storytelling where we had a set group of Black mothers that wanted to share their story. And so we used that as a way to connect with different communities by using vulnerability, but also trying to dissect experiences and seeing where in the system, where is it broken in the system, as to why Black women are experiencing maternal mortality. So that's what the initiative is about. And it makes me happy, it makes me proud, especially growing up in a developing country. Once I learned about my country experiencing high maternal mortality and high cervical cancer, it's just always been kind of like a passion of mine to educate and find ways to bring healthcare providers, public health professionals to have conversations with the community. So yeah, that's a good way. That's a way to describe a Black mother story.
And what are some of the impacts that you have seen in doing that work?
Ooh, so with the event that we had, what was interesting was one of our speakers was a pelvic floor therapist, and her mom attended the event, but she asked the question on like pelvic floor therapy, and I know this is like diving into specifics, but she asked about pelvic floor therapy and said, "Hey, at my age, can I still have pelvic floor therapy?" And so I saw within like the people who attended the events and within my own friends, it shifted their focus to, I need to advocate for my health. And so I'm seeing more of, I need to advocate for my health. I need to find a way to talk to my doctor, even if, most people just want a Black doctor, or if you don't have a doctor that's Black, how do I advocate for myself? How do I ask these questions? There's been more conversation to, I need to tell my mom, I need to tell my sister, because maternal mortality doesn't just affect the mom, it affects the family. So if I'm educated, I can educate you and you can educate, your loved ones. And so I've been seeing that ripple of, we're talking about it, but we're also being advocates for our own health. Yeah.